All right, thanks for clicking the link. Swinging by to check this out, give you a little information on the property. It's located at 1019 Spruce. Everybody will know it. It's the old hardware store. It's on just over an acre. The building itself is 7,000 square foot, and then there's a detached structure in the back and a fenced-in area that's about 1,500 square foot. So total, it's right around 8,500. I think when I purchased it, it was listed at 8,750. So do whatever that with that you will. Let me turn this around. The old hardware store. When we bought it from Miller Bowie Supply. Anyway, so this main building here, like I said, is 7,000 square foot. We'll step in here, I'll show you. We actually started a remodel on it. We're gonna sell this property with two different options. One is gonna be just the building itself, and the other is gonna be with all the cabinet equipment included, which there is quite a bit. So the front section here, let me zoom out, is about 1,800 square foot. We did all of the framing. We've got all the roof electrical done, and we've got all the roof and plumbing done. Got an ADA bathroom, what we were going to use as an office. We've already got the sheetrock ran in this. And if we continue to move forward with this remodel, the price on it will go up. It's plumbed and got power for a fully operational kitchen. There's 2 more bathrooms. Little area within, everything's kind of disorganized right now. Now this is that's an operable bathroom. That one's inoperable. We all pulled all the plumbing and stuff for the remodel back here from that bathroom, and then that's an office that we're working out of. Show you it, but originally, like it's gonna go bye-bye. That's on the plans for it to disappear. We were actually spraying some water-based primer in here. Got an old school cooling unit up here, still works. We built the fire rated wall. We had to separate the room back here from the rest of it since we have equipment and stuff. This part back here is 2,500 square foot. We upgraded the service to 600 amp last year. As you can see, we have a CNC machine. I think that's a 2022, I believe is what it is, or maybe a 2023. Then we have an edge bander. We actually bought it in September of last year. We've got sanders, we've got shapers, table saw, miter saw, wide belt sander, dust collector. Anyway, so there's a 10-ton cooling unit on the back side of this wall. And go back here. We had the ramp poured, and then a 16-foot roll-up door. As you can see, the building needs to be painted. There's the electrical. Of course, the alley runs right through the middle of the property. Back here in this fenced-in area, we have, of course, the compressor, our cooling units, and then the CNC vacuum system. This area back here is that detached structure I was talking about. Probably 600 square foot of it or so is actual, enclosed. If you buy the cabinet equipment too, you will get the van and the trailer as well. Go back here and show you the rest of the property. There's a drainage system that runs through here. Great to fill that in, but the city wouldn't appreciate that very much. Might get mad about that. And then this is the other part of the lot. This is Oak Street right here. I assume this is probably close to about a quarter of an acre back here, maybe something like that. I don't know if you could put a duplex on it or what, but we do, keep it cut and all that. So, like I said, we're gonna sell this in one of two different ways. Either the building, which we're asking $275 for, or selling the entire operation, and that'll be $385. There's about $200,000 in assets, so man, that's a pretty good price on it. And like I said, it's a fully operational cabinet shop. I've been working in it, so you can come in and start building right away. So reach out, 903-949-8995 if you have any questions. Take it easy.